Welcome back! Today we're diving into habits that can save you over thousands of hours this year. We all know that time is precious, so let's not waste any more of it, and let's get started. 1. Declutter Daily. Get rid of one item every day. Are you ready to clear up your physical and mental space? Challenge yourself to eliminate one item daily. It's a small effort that over time creates a clutter-free lifestyle. Not only will you feel less attached to material things over time, but it will also be more easier to clean your house and stay focused since you will not be distracted by clutter anymore. 2. 5-minute task every day. Do you know the moment? It is 11:52 and you should start doing a task, but you decide to start at 12 and just keep scrolling for a few more minutes? Try not to waste these minutes and set a 5-minute timer. Within these 5 minutes, you can do some stretches, a quick cleaning of your room, or read a page in your favorite book. It's only 5 minutes, but by doing this every day, you will definitely see the results quickly. 3. Eat that frog. Procrastination steals mental space and can lead to extra problems. So try to tackle the easy things on your to-do list quickly. If a task only takes 2 minutes to do, just do it. Your future self will thank you, and you will not waste any more time thinking or worrying about it. By the way, did you know it only takes 2 seconds to click the like button on this video? So stop postponing and show your support so we can create more helpful videos. 4. Identify your productive hours. Discover your peak productivity hours and schedule important tasks accordingly is a game changer. Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, aligning tasks with your energy levels can skyrocket efficiency. 5. Tackle your biggest time waster. For most of us, our phones are our biggest time waster. If you want to spend less time on your phone, set timers on the apps you would like to use less. Next to this, you can also consider putting your phone on grayscale to limit distractions. 6. Weekly wisdom. For me personally, it helps a lot to plan a weekly check-in with myself. Plan 30 minutes every week to reflect on the past days and plan your next week as well. Journaling and planning your week will help you to identify what works for your schedule and will help you to stay on track on reaching your goals. 7. Outfit efficiency. Take pictures and plan ahead. Streamline your morning routine by taking pictures of your outfits. Store them in a dedicated folder on your phone so you never have to worry about what to wear again. If you want to go extreme, you can also decide to embrace a signature style like Steve Jobs. But if wearing the same outfit every day is not your thing, taking pictures will be a time saver. 8. Triple focus. Prioritize 3 most important things. Do you get overwhelmed by your to-do list? Focus on the 3 most important tasks every day. This will reduce stress, increase focus, and makes your list more achievable. And there you have it, some tiny habits that will help you to save hours every week. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.